Going on, guys? I totally forgot, guys. What the heck's wrong with me? I made a 10-minute video kind of showing you putting this in right now. This is gonna be another video real like I'm gonna upload that one and I'm gonna upload this one real quick so I can show you guys putting this in. Hello, this guy. So let me pause that and get all that ready, guys. I can't believe that. What the heck's going on? Yeah, let me get that ready and we'll come right back. All right, guys. Oh, you guys are upside down. No, I hope it doesn't mess up. I hate recording with phones. That's like the worst thing you could ever do. And YouTubers use them, but nambe, not me, dude. I got no time to sit on no damn phone. I need to film and use a GoPro or DSLR or whatever 20-pound thing. GoPro. I started the GoPro revolution. Nah, it's because when I started using GoPro, when I first started, everybody was like talking shit. And I was like, what the heck? You know, that's what I use. And then everybody figured out, like, well, let me try it. And then they found out it was badass and good. And they started using it. It's a monkey see, monkey do thing. Thing is, you got to do before they do it. And then everybody just falls in line. Anyways, this is looking so good, guys. I'm going to clean some more. I'm going with the rider brush all the way around. And then I'm going to put those in there. And then, yeah. Then I'm going to show you to put some Permatex right here. Right here. And there's some dowels. I think there's one dowel here, another dowel there. You want to put some Permatex on that. Some of that high black temp. This one. You want to use this one. Right here. Right here. In these corners here, here, and here. That's where you want to put the Permatex after it's put on and the bolts are on. But let me put the gasket, guys, and yeah, I would want to show you putting the gasket on, but I don't got no tripod. Like I said in another video, I got one, but I gotta buy little attachments for it, and then we're good to go. You know, that tripod is made out of like metal or something. It's really strong, so it's really good. It's for a DSLR, so it's a good little camera. But let me pause you guys and put that on there and show you how it's supposed to go. Alright, guys, it's very obvious where it kind of goes. There's like one crazy bend there. And so it goes with that part, the thickest part down. Because if you can see, it lays in there good and perfect. So that's how it's supposed to be. You want to make sure it goes in there, so just go around lightly. You know, you want it to be like that. Thank God, thank you, Jesus, for getting me this far already. Me and my girlfriend figured out, well, she's smart as heck. She can learn. She's the type of person that can see it. You teach her, she'll learn it, and she'll do it better than you, dude. It's crazy. She saw the book. She saw how the timing was supposed to be. She said this here, this there, this, that, this. I was like, oh shit, all right. And I just listened to her, man. Hopefully it comes out good. It was me and her figuring it out. Right now I'll go show you what it looks like, guys. I already showed you in previous videos. There's a video going out tomorrow. Today's Friday. I forgot what my watch kind of broke the band, so I don't have my watch right now. I'll probably get me a new band next month for it. Anyways, yeah, this won't go out to next month, November or something, like the 5th. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do this, guys. Put it all around. You already know what's up. I already showed you. Just put it in there like that. If it sticks out, like, just push it down a little. And, you know, you don't need to put no Permatex just in these corners. A dab right here. A dab right here. And then on so forth, on top and everything. So I'm just gonna let this video, I'm gonna finish off this video, guys, right now. I'm gonna just film up to here, It's a 5-minute video, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.